Get ready, New York. The Alliance Gonaives d'Outre-mer AGOM is hosting the third annual Gala on Saturday, November 2nd, 2024 at Bentley's nightclub. This exclusive event will bring together Gonaivians, Haitians, and supporters from across the globe for a night of celebration and purpose. Enjoy inspiring speeches, live performance by the legendary Alain Cave, the electrifying beats of DJ Johny mix, and other talented Haitian artists, plus witness stunning cultural dances that honor Gonaives' rich heritage. This is your chance to reconnect with the community and help shape the future of Gonaives Haiti. Mark your calendars. Saturday, November 2nd, 2024. Join us at Bentley's nightclub, 1370 Ralph Avenue, New York. Secure your ticket today by calling 954-778-1910 or 754-234-6246. Together, we can make a difference. The Alliance Gonaives d'Outre-mer AGOM, building a better tomorrow for Gonaives. For more info, call 954-880-7675 or email us at AGOM 4140 @gmail.com.